Are you happy? Let's go. Take a bath na tayo. Can you tell me where is number 1? Number 1. Tell me. Number 1. Can you tell me where is it? Where? Katingin siya sa numbers. Naiintindihan mo yan? Where's number 1? Can you tell mommy? Can you tell mommy? Where is number 1? Hmm? Ay, dapat pala, phonetics nilagay ko. Pa. Wala namang pa dyan eh. Pa. A. Alligator. Nag-iisip ka pa. Wala dyan yung letter A. Ayun yung alphabet na sa dulo.